In the shadows of our bustling cities, a silent war rages, a war against crime, against fear. And on the front lines, you'll find the unsung heroes of the Army Dog Center All Pakistan Services. With noses sharper than the finest detective's intuition, our dogs are the first responders to emergency situations. Robbery, theft, kidnapping, murder. These are not mere words to them, but scents to be tracked and clues to be unearthed. Each dog, a four-legged sleuth, rigorously trained to sniff out the truth swiftly and accurately. They work in tandem with our professional handlers, forming an unbreakable bond of trust and dedication. So, when the unthinkable happens, remember, you are not alone. Reach out to the Army Dog Center All Pakistan Services, because in the fight against crime, every lead matters. Every moment counts, and every sniff could make all the difference. Stay safe, stay vigilant. We're here, ready to serve. Time